To achieve a high score on Block Blast, simply consider applying these tips. First, open the Block Blast app on your mobile device. Then simply tap on the classic option available there. Now, in order to achieve a high score, aim to clear as many blocks as possible in one move. Clearing large groups of the same colored blocks will earn you more points and help clear the board faster. You will have to take a moment to plan and think through your moves. Don't just tap randomly. Clearing blocks is a sequence or pattern will maximize your points. Power-ups can clear a significant number of blocks. Use them wisely, especially when you are stuck or want to clear a big clusters of block in one go. So, as the game progresses and the block falls faster, it is easy to rush. Stay calm and methodical with each move to maximize your points and avoid making mistakes. By applying these strategies and practicing regularly, you'll improve your chances of achieving a high score on Block Blast. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.